Let me know what's fighting me. Bring it up front.
He's pissed.
Wow, he's not even like behind us.
Christ.
Like a catfish. Which rod is that stuck on?
Just don't reel it too tight because I am on it. Going under the boat. Nice. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish. Fought twice as hard though.
Yeah, that I thought that.
Oh, because there was a line on it. I watched it.
Bottom.
Oh really?
Look at my graph.
Should I put it?
Fish.
Yeah, who cares? Fuck it. It's fighting. There he goes. There's the... Oh yeah. Fuck. You alright? Looked like it was pretty
So there's
good.
points on the bottom of their gills.
That's because they're perch. Probably delicious.
It actually isn't nearly as big as I expected. Absolute mayhem.
You're right, this rod has no control whatsoever.
Get your fucking arm out there.
Nice.
20, 19.